You know, I've been doing a lot of growing up, as you can probably tell, that I seem really mature and maybe somewhat pretentious, but I don't want that to steer you away. Because even though I may be better than most, I still have a long way to go. I don't know where. I don't know where I was going. I don't know where I was going with that, but anyways, I literally am just trying to show you the groceries I got. That's pretty much it. I got these Vital Farm hard-boiled eggs. I just have one of these a day after my workout for my meal. Well, I have other stuff, but this is part of it, and it helps me get a lot of protein in. Anyways, I'm stressing myself out because it is just frustrating because I feel like I do everything I can do to have... Okay, sorry, this isn't therapy. Okay. I got these beets. I love them so much. They're marinated in vinegar, and I love them, but a lot of the stuff I'm eating too is because there's vitamins that I'm low in, that I'm trying to eat more foods that have that, and this is one of those foods, beets. I'm low in a lot of B vitamins right now, so that's what I'm working on, trying to increase that. And then I got some cuties because to increase my vitamin C, and then some garlic because it's a good gut health thing. Oh, I was really excited. I got these sea salt flakes because I made these little date chocolate frozen treats, and they're so good. And then I put this on top, and it added a lot of flavor. And then I've been getting this bread for quite some time. It's a local bakery, and it's gluten-free cinnamon raisin bread. I just have this right when I wake up in the morning, and I love this so much. I crave it. And then I got fresh ground almond butter, and I just have this in the morning for my pre-workout. Because that thing that's sometimes annoying too, I feel like people are like, you're so strict, you need to chill out. And then I'm like, then I chill out, and then I'm like miserable. So I'm not supposed to be chill, I don't think, because when I'm chill, then that makes me not chill. So if I am not chill, that actually makes me more chill, believe it or not. Anyways, I've actually tried this brand before, but I didn't know it was supposed to be a probiotic, and I tried it and I thought it was expired because it was so nasty. But then everyone on TikTok was posting about it. I'm like, okay, maybe I should give it another shot. Ooh, not too bad. Wait, but yeah, it's actually not too bad. Really excited about that. Okay, we're getting to the good stuff. This, are you seeing this? I have cottage cheese with pretty much every single meal because there's so much protein in it. And this is literally the best brand that could ever exist of all brands ever. I don't know what it is about it, but it's just amazing. And there's like all this stuff. There's like, well, you get what I'm losing energy. I guess I didn't have any to begin with. Another thing I love to do with cottage cheese is I actually make these really healthy nachos. I already have been eating these chips, but I get any of the Siete brand chips. So I'll get some of these chips and just spread them out, put cottage cheese over them and some ground beef, put it in the microwave for a couple minutes, and the cottage cheese melts like as if it's cheese on my nachos, but then I'm getting my protein in, and then I bring in my girl Nancy, but Nancy's probiotic Greek yogurt. I like to get the non-fat one just since I'm working on keeping my fats under a certain amount, and this has 22 grams of protein for 170 grams. I'll use my nachos and dip this in it as if it's sour cream, or if I have fruit, I'll dip it with that. Sometimes I'll put it on my steak. I'll mix it in with my ground beef and the cottage cheese. There's so many things you can mix it into just to incorporate, just to get extra protein. I got some steak for the mornings after. Usually when I'm the hungriest is right after I work out in the morning, so that's like one of my biggest meals. So I usually have steak, and then I'll have a hard-boiled egg and some yogurt and fruit. I've been having this gluten-free brown rice pasta with ground beef and cottage cheese for my lunches, and it really fills me up. And sometimes I'll have the same thing for dinner. And this is, I tried a lot of different brands of the pasta, and I really like this brand. I got some almond milk, potatoes, and then this, I literally don't even know where to start because I don't want to get emotional. This ground beef changed the trajectory of my entire life. I can't say enough good things about this. This is a Force of Nature ground beef. I get the ancestral blend because it has beef liver and beef heart, which I recently learned those are both really good sources of vitamin B9. So although this doesn't look like the most exciting thing, I think it actually tastes really good. And I put it in the microwave and melt it with the cottage cheese. And this whole meal that I have for lunch is 46 grams of protein. So for my meal that I have after my workout, I have 90 grams of steak, and then I'm gonna do 100 grams of the Greek yogurt, and then I'll do 2 hard-boiled eggs, and then some fruit and nuts. Here is the final masterpiece. Again, I know it doesn't look super appetizing, but I think it tastes really good. And what's really exciting, just wait. This is 50 grams of protein.